Hello and welcome to Roosted Healthcare. Today, we'll walk you through how to manually create workers in your Roosted Healthcare account. You can easily do this by navigating to the Workers module located in the admin bar on the left-hand side of the screen. There are 3 ways to get workers into Roosted Healthcare: manually creating workers, importing workers, worker self-sign-up. In this video, we'll focus on manually creating workers using the Workers module. To get started, navigate to the admin bar on the left-hand side and click on Workers. From there, you can easily add new workers by clicking Create Worker in the top left corner. Next, you'll be guided to the Custom Fields section if you've already set them up in your account. You can create custom fields by going to Configuration and Custom Fields. These are useful for categorizing and filtering workers. The final step is assigning skill sets and areas. You can assign specific skill sets to the worker, and for larger organizations, areas can help organize workers by geographic regions. After clicking Finish, an invitation will be sent to the worker so they can log in and access their new account. Additionally, you can quickly import workers or they can self-sign up through your company's login page, which is typically structured like this: yourcompanyname.roostedhr.com. And that's how you create workers in Roosted Healthcare. Thanks for watching.